University's Diversity of Business, a Master of Management in Applied AI and Data-Driven Decision-Making helps you transform your thinking into action.
Good way to keep that left hand out of the way. There you go. There you go. Got it. Good. Good. Know where you're planting your feet. Know where your feet are at all times when you're playing. Good. Watch that kind of left. Good. Good. Don't give it too much space. Good way to absorb the left hand pass. Good. That's the only time you can do it. You're not far away. You're not far away. If you want to, just around that man. Back on. Right, like that, right. Stay engaged. Stay engaged at all times. Stay engaged at all times and know where your feet are. Yeah, that right hook will land later on. Good. Just right. Over to your left a bit more. Right? Good. You're gonna break into the house, be first and steal shit before somebody else comes home and books you. Okay, if you're gonna close the distance like that, you need to be first off. Good. Watch the movement. Be aware of the movement. Good. Good. Keep the chin down. Be aware of the movement. Be aware of the movement. Be aware of the movement. Come on, back center. There you go, back. Keep probing. Good. Probe up and down. Probe up and down. That's beautiful. That's that shot that we want. Nice counter. That's very good exchange because you were engaged there. You stayed engaged in that exchange there. It's okay. It's okay. There you go. And pop. Which one do you want to counter? I thought he was 123. Good round. That's what I'm talking about. You're much better in your exchanges also. Much better. When you relax and try to come up for air like you're fucking looking over a fence and try to good. Good thing. Watch where your head out to your right like that. Good. Move the space off the ropes. Left hook. Beautiful. Beautiful. That I don't mind when you're disengaging like that. Good. Good. Now we're sparring. Now we're just looking for things. You can take a little step out there for the right. Nice overhand. There you go. Now you're back in the center, yeah, Austin? Right. Good. There you go. Good. Quick combination of this on the inside. Pop. Right. Yeah, just keep the pressure on him. There you go. let's step out now. Get close. Let's step out, take that angle. Nice. See how you caught him? There you go. Much better, much better, much better. Much better, much better. Much better. So when you pull away like that, you usually drop it, you do a quick right hand. There you go. Or you can grab and turn it. Step out to your right side, to your left side. Right, there you go, see how to back. There you go, back on the jab. Right. Always controlling that jab. That's it, baby, good. Work out of it, yeah, baby, let you work out of it. Unless he's that small, you look like one of them. When you guys get on the inside, I'm gonna let you work out. Unless there's a hand knock to you, we'll work out. Let you work out. There you go. Nice up, nice up. Nice up. Good, take it out. There you go. Awesome. Much better. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. Make sure we can see. Make sure we can see. No, 30 seconds. 30 seconds. God damn.
So I thought I heard the bell too.
Austin, you should know. And ladies, y'all got the same color. Sorry. Good. Nice. Now watch yourself working. Beautiful. And that's why we roll out to the right hand.
It's good, it's good.
Those are those little awkward right hands, Austin, that'll work. Right?
Yeah.
You just gotta be confident. You just gotta do conviction. Okay? And make sure you do that. Make sure you defend right out. Grab a shot. Yeah. There you go. Good turn. Good turn. Work out it. They're gonna let you work. They're gonna let you work on the inside, I promise. Good. Change your chin down. Good. And be able to breathe while we're on the inside. Be able to breathe in an exchange. Let's keep that pressure on. Let's keep that pressure on, baby. There you go. There you go. You won't be able to keep up with your speed, boy. You won't be able to keep up with your speed as long as that jab works. You ain't gonna be able to keep up with your speed. He ain't gonna try to come at you like this. There you go, Liz. Very nice. Very nice. Good movement. Good movement. Yeah, get fluid. Get fluid. Yeah, get fluid. There you go. Get fluid. There you go. Deep breath, baby. Good counter. Good counter with that left hook. Nice. Back on the jab. Back on the jab. Control the distance. Nice. This one shot. There you go, baby. There you go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Go ahead, go ahead. You're good, 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 you're good. Fuck out of here. Fuck is the door. Austin. I'll pluck you out of myself. Yeah, good. Chin down. I'm gonna chin it down. Pull out to that. Step out. Step out. Good. See how we cut you off? We cut that door. We cut that door closed. Be first, baby. Be first. Be first when you start. Be first when you start. Come on, guys. This is the last fucking round. Let's push it. You got a little bit more. There you go. You got a little bit more. You got a little bit more. Good. 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 Read those angles. Good way to step over. Good. Good body. Good. Sit down yourself. Be ready to count. Breathe, breathe here, breathe here, breathe here. Don't wrestle, just breathe. Just get a entry and breathe. Beautiful angle. You can do that. You can do that angle as well too. Boom, boom, is right there too. 30. You wanted that one. Yeah, you wanted that. You wanted that last one. This one, that last one.